Hello everyone, I am Venkateswaramma. I belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I have done my graduation from Government Degree College Anantapur. After completion of my graduation, I am looking for a job in IT sector. At that time, my friend refers that Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. After getting that all details of the course, I decided to join in job internship program for CCNA. In that CCNA program, I learned different modules: cybersecurity, Windows administration, ITIL, networking, etc. All the mentor supports me to get a job in IT Now Solutions with 2.4 LPA. Thank you to all Evision team members. That's all.
Thank you, Evision.